Alright, so we are prepared. I have cleaned up a little bit. Also I have now all the necessary parts laying around here. So, and now it gets to the final assembly of the parts. So let's give it a shot and let's start. guys, so during the build-up of all necessary parts while I was working on the headstock, it seems that my camera, the battery died during the recording. I realized that after I already mounted the neck to the body. So yeah, you weren't in there, so but yeah, now it looks fine so far. So here we have now the headstock with all the tuning packs on it. So everything is mounted so far. So now we just have to do the last step. So, and these are the strings, but before I will do that, I will use again my, yeah, what's called styropor. So I made my own measurement for the neck for it, so to see if the neck is really flat or not. So this is just for measurement. So we put it in the middle here. And this thing seems to be almost flat. This is pretty good. So I cut this out from a box from one of my last builds. So yeah, it's doing a great job. So it's really plain. I cut all the things on it. Of course, you could buy such kind of a measurement in a shop or so, but it will cost around 40, 50, 60 bucks. Yeah, and this is an easy way to do that. So for the next thing, we will again use, when we have all the strings in place, we will use the Fritz ruler again. So for the measurement of the sides. So this is really cool so far. So you don't need any kind of a meter or so to do the measurement. So you have directly here the strings, and you just have to reach these black lines here. So this is also working for acoustic guitars, electric high guitars, electric guitars on low, and also on classic guitars. So it's always nice to have that. So, and now we will start with our strings. So as shown as in one of the very first videos, I will use Ernie balls, the regular slinky ones. Normally I'm going with power strings also, but for this build I decided to go with more classic ones. So, and these are going up from 45 over 65 over 80 to 100 and at least 130. So let's see if we can make it fine.